What if you could track your sleep, heart rate, and activity without wearing a bulky smartwatch? Smart rings in 2026 are slimmer, smarter, and surprisingly powerful. These are the ones that might actually replace your watch. The Mworld Smart Ring focuses on core health tracking in a compact and lightweight form. It monitors heart rate, sleep patterns, and daily activity while staying discreet on your finger. The design is minimal, making it comfortable for all-day wear and even overnight tracking. Battery life is solid for a device this small, and charging is typically quick and convenient. It syncs with a companion app to provide insights into your health metrics without overwhelming you with unnecessary data. This ring is ideal for users who want basic fitness and sleep tracking without committing to a full smartwatch experience. If you're curious about switching to a simpler wearable, check the description below for links and pricing. The Vic-Ring combines activity tracking with a sleek, modern design. It focuses on step tracking, heart rate monitoring, and sleep analysis in a compact form factor. The ring is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to forget you're even wearing it. Its app interface presents daily summaries in a clear and accessible way. Battery life typically supports several days of use before needing a recharge. It's a good option for users who want essential health data without notifications constantly buzzing on their wrist. If you're looking for a subtle wearable that handles everyday tracking, you'll find the purchase links in the description below. The RingConn-Ring emphasizes detailed sleep and wellness tracking. It collects data on heart rate variability, rest quality, and daily readiness metrics to give you a broader health overview. The build feels durable and premium while remaining lightweight. Its companion app provides deeper analytics compared to entry-level rings, making it appealing to users who want more insight into recovery and long-term health trends. It's particularly useful for people focused on optimizing sleep and performance. If you want advanced health metrics in a discrete form, check the description below for links and availability. The IMIKI-Smart-Ring offers a balance between affordability and functionality. It tracks daily activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns while maintaining a compact design. The ring is comfortable enough for continuous wear and designed to resist water exposure during everyday use. The app provides straightforward summaries that help you monitor progress without unnecessary complexity. It's suitable for users transitioning away from basic fitness bands who want something more minimal. If you want simple health tracking in a smaller form factor, you can find the purchase links in the description below. The BENIO-Smart-Ring focuses on delivering essential fitness tracking in a budget-friendly package. It monitors core metrics such as steps, heart rate, and sleep quality. The design is slim and unobtrusive, making it comfortable for daily wear. Battery life supports extended usage, reducing the need for frequent charging. It pairs with a mobile app to provide daily and weekly health insights. This ring works well for users who want light tracking without the distractions of notifications or screens. If you're exploring entry-level smart rings, check the description below for links and pricing. The Oura-Ring remains one of the most recognized smart rings for advanced health tracking. It delivers detailed insights into sleep stages, heart rate variability, readiness scores, and recovery patterns. The design feels premium and refined, suitable for both casual and formal settings. Its companion app offers in-depth analytics and long-term tracking trends. Battery life is strong and charging is convenient with its dedicated dock. It's ideal for users who want comprehensive health data in a discrete wearable that replaces both a fitness band and a smartwatch. If you want one of the most feature-rich smart rings available, check the description below for links and availability. Smart rings are becoming a serious alternative to smartwatches. If you want health tracking without a bulky screen on your wrist, these options offer powerful features in a compact form. Subscribe for more smart tech breakdowns and check the description below for all the links.